Big headliners tonight, Lord and John Summit, DJ who's from Naperville here actually. So a very big set for him in front of his hometown crowd here in Grant Park. The other group that I've been seeing a lot of fans of is SB19. They are from the Philippines, a pop group. There are people here from all over the world to see this crew. Here for today. Look at this. Wow. And where's everybody from again? Like, just say where you're from again.
I'm from South Carolina.
South Carolina? Las Vegas?
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire? Ireland?
From UK.
UK?
Florida.
Pennsylvania. Look at this group. I mean, from all over the place.
We have friends in the VIP. They're from Spain. They're
from
France.
From Spain. Wow. All right. Have fun today. So as I mentioned, 11 a.m. we will be here for the WGN Midday News, doing some reports, talking to people.
Well, before the gates opened, talked with a group of girls who actually met online as super fans of one particular artist performing here today. They're all from different states, Iowa, Indiana, Nevada, and the band doesn't perform until 3:30, but they plan to be front row for their fave.
We got here at 6:30 and she got here at 6, and we're here to see SB19. They're a boy group from the Philippines. They're the first homegrown Filipino group to perform at Lollapalooza. Yes.
We love them. I've been a fan since 2020.
I've been a fan since 2021.
Yeah.
We're talking about, where are we going?
For SB19.
Ah, you heard it! Where are you going? Where are you?
Cheer for SB19! Yes! Woo!
SB19 at Lollapalooza live watch party. Thank you for choosing to spend your very early morning with us as we witness another milestone for our Mahalima. Tonight isn't just another party, it's a celebration of how far Filipino talent has come. From local stages to one of the biggest music festivals in the world. We're all here to witness history together. So maraming salamat sa bawat 18 na nandito today. Ready na ba kayong sumuporta sa ating mga boys hanggang Chicago?
Siyempre,